Yamuna Densons, jointing hearts and building powerful relationships. Professionally managed over the last few decades, today Yamuna Densons has evolved into a one-stop shop, providing 360-degree solutions through an exhaustive range of cable jointing accessories. We develop and manufacture, as per customer specifications, various jointing systems and accessories, including engineered products like power cable jointing kits, fiberglass products, heat shrinkable accessories, bus bar insulating sleeve and shroud at joints, cold shrink accessories, etc. under the now popular brand name Densons. The state-of-the-art equipment and machineries, complemented by a vibrant quality consciousness, have imparted a high degree of superiority in the products, which have elicited preference for Yamuna Densons products amongst the power industry leaders.
Yamuna Denson's cold shrinkable outdoor terminations for 11 kV 3-core XLPE insulated cable provide 3 key advantages: stress control, insulation for tracking protection, and environmental seal. These are quick and convenient to install and have proven to be most reliable and cost-effective performers. Procedure for cable preparation. Check the cable end and ensure it is free of moisture and defects. Using a measuring tape, make a mark at 480 mm on the outer sheath from the cable end. Ring cut along this mark with a hacksaw or suitable cutter and remove the portion of outer sheath and the armor. Mark a length of 50 mm from this cutback and expose the armor. Measure 10 mm from the edge of the armor and remove the inner sheath to reveal the 3 cores and the fillers. Remove the fillers and space out the 3 cores. From the edge of the 10 mm mark, measure 100 mm on the core and gently remove the metal foil to expose the semiconducting screen. From the edge of the metal foil, mark a length of 10 mm on the semiconducting screen and remove the remaining screen on all the cores. Do not cut or otherwise damage the insulated layer beneath. Position the end of small copper braid on the metal tape shield at about 100 mm from the end of the armor. Wrap spring clamp over the braid in the direction of metal tape shield wrap. Install the remaining clamps and earth leads on the other 2 cores in the same way. Extend the 3 small copper braided strips down towards the wire armor. Wrap 1 layer of copper braiding around the armor with at least 30 mm overlapping and insert the small copper braids under this assembly. Tighten the complete assembly with spring clamps. Wrap 2 layers mastic sealing tape over the earthing assembly and sharp edges if any. Insert cold shrinkable breakout from the top, ensuring that the breakout is placed centrally over the earthing assembly. Then, draw out the sustain tube of bottom side counterclockwise to shrink the breakout box. Then the sustain tube of the 3-way side. Wrap PVC tape at a distance of 100 mm from the cold shrink breakout. Cover 5 mm of the semiconducting screen insulation and about 10 mm of the extruded semiconducting screen with the help of semiconducting tape. Insert the outdoor termination body on the core, ensuring that it overlaps the finger of the cold shrink breakout, and pull out the sustain tube to make it shrink. friction cut and remove the XLPE insulation and put the lug in its position. Crimp the lug with the help of a crimping tool. Apply 2 layers of red mastic tape on the terminal lug from the end of the outdoor termination body. Place the cold shrink lug sealing sleeve over the crimped lug barrel in a way that it overlaps the lug barrel and cold shrink termination body, and shrink the lug sealing sleeve at the right position. Shrink the lug sealing sleeve on the other 2 cores in the same way. Yamuna Denson's cold shrinkable outdoor termination for 11 kV 3-core XLPE insulated cable is now complete.